Welcome to our next class, students. Chapter number 26, Coordinate Geometry. So first of all, dependent and independent variable. All of you are familiar with the terms variable. Variable you know whose value is not fixed, that is called variable. And dependent and independent variables, I'll explain you. This is exercise 26A, first question. For each of the equation given below, name the dependent and independent variable. So see children, in this equation, y is dependent variable. Why? Because whatever the value you will put of x, accordingly you will obtain the value of y. So in this case, x is independent, y is dependent variable. Same here, x is dependent means you can put any value of y and x will have the corresponding value of x. Then this is independent variable, this is dependent. Again x is independent here and y is dependent. Second question, you are asked to plot these points on the graph. Clear children? Now this is our graph sheet and I have drawn coordinate axis. All of you know that this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Clear children? So you can see that one box is having 10 divisions in that. Clear? So there is a gap of 10 division in each box. So along x-axis, this is positive side of x, this is positive side of y, this is negative x-axis, this is negative y-axis. Clear? So you have to mark all the divisions and write here 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see I wrote positives over here. This side also positive numbers and this side negative numbers. This side also negative because this is negative axis, this is negative y-axis. Clear? Now let us plot. See, first point is 3 and 6. See children, look here. 3 and 6. Always remember, first coordinate is x and second is what? Y. I already explained you in distance formula. This is x and this is y. X, y, x, y. Like that you have to mark. So let's plot these points. First point is 3 and 6. 3 of x. Where is 3 of x? It will lie on x-axis over here. See, 3 is here. And 6 of y. That is also positive, means it will lie upside. So 3 and 6 will be here. So mark the point here and write here 3 and 6. Next point is 0 and 4. Next point is 0. It is here on the origin. And y. Y 4 is upside. See, we will take upside 4 because this is positive. Downwards it will be negative. So this is what? 0 and 4. So one thing you must have noticed children. The point x is 0 and the coordinate x is 0. So the point is lying on y-axis. This we have done in distance formula. Next is 0 and y is minus 4. Where is minus 4? It is over here. So mark the point over here. This is 0 and minus 4. Next is 3 of x. Where is 3? 3 is here of x and minus 2 of y will be over here in front of minus 2. So this way you have to mark 3 and minus 2. Then after minus 2 of x is here and then 5 is upside. That is positive will be taken over here. So this point is minus 2 and 5. Then the another point is minus 3 and 0. Minus 3 of x is here. 0 means we will not move upside or downside, will remain here only. So this point is minus 3 and 0. So again you can notice children, its y coordinate is 0 and you can see the point is lying on x axis. Then after 5 and 0. 5 of first coordinate is x, so 5 will be here. 0 means we will remain here only, will not move up or down. So it is 5 and 0. Next is minus 4 this side and minus 3. Its downward will be here. It is minus 4 and minus 3. So this way we have to plot all the points. Now third question children, find the value of x. You are given in this way, find the value of x. So it is quite clear from here. This value equals to this and this value equals to this. The same thing I wrote. From here you can find the value of x and y. Now after that, question number 4. is from your book only you have to do. See, you have to find the coordinates. What are the coordinates of A? X is 2 and Y is also 2. That means the coordinate of A are 2 and 2. Point B, it is 4, 5. X is what? 5 and Y will be 0. Over here it is what? 6 and 3. Clear? So this way you can find out the coordinate and which are satisfying you can write over here. Next is true false. The ordinate of point is its x coordinate. No, ordinate is what I have told you in distance formula also. Ordinate is y coordinate. So this is false. Origin is in the first quadrant. See children, that also we discussed. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. So he is saying that origin is in first quadrant. No, it is lying over here. It is not in the first quadrant. Then after, every point is located in one of the four quadrant. You are given that every point is located in one of the four quadrant. That is also false. See, this point is not lying in any quadrant. It is lying on axis. Same way, this point is also not lying in any quadrant, lying on axis. Next is